Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a common word list for cracking password. So before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more new hacking videos and click the bell icon. Thanks. Let's start. Go to GitHub website and check for cop. Cop is a common user password profiler. It's a very great tool that you can generate word list. So in here we see the syntax, some more information about the cop. Let's copy the URL. Let's open terminal and download it. Let me zoom in. Let's write git clone and add our URL. Press enter. This will clone the application. In here we write Python 3 and add cap. If we check the help page, in here we see some tags that we can use. We add interactive. Okay, we just again write our command and add -i. Press enter. The cap will start working. So we add, for example, the person that we are cracking his password. We add his name, for example, Sick Bros. After we add our information in here, it wants us to print. We just add no. If we ls, we see Sick Bros, the txt file is created.